This is my safe change key kit. And instead of having things all over the place, I now have it in the Veto Pro Pack SC-45. I have two of these. I have one for my pick case, and this is my safe one. And this just goes back and forth. So I just have a couple of basic small tools here. I can just take it in like this or add this. This goes on my case full-time, my tool case. I can put this in my pocket, whatever. I just got to add a few more small tools to it. But this kit will do most of my safe rekeys, or changing safe combinations, except for lubrication. And it depends upon the safe, and I have another kit for that. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. Again, this is my safe change key kit. My Vitro Pro Pack. This is for my combination, for changing safe combinations. It has all my change keys in it, some basic tools. So this is my 27-in-1. That usually opens almost everything. My Knipex. And let's get right into the kit here. So the Vitro Pro Pack, and it has all my change keys. So they'll open like that if I just want to grab something quick. Let's open it all the way. Let's show you what I have here. This is probably the most useful tool, and this is my go-to tool. So this is a key dex. It has all the various change keys that I need, and this is probably 99% of what I need to do most of my work for changing either 3-wheel or 4-wheel safe combinations. So this is pretty cool. I'll put a list of everything it does. Actually, what does it do? It does the major ones that I run across is 3-wheel and 4-wheel Sargent Greenleafs and the 3-wheel Lagards. And there's other videos of me changing safe combinations. So this is the Keydex KV1. Now what I have is I have some specialty 4-wheel change combinations for some Chubb safes and whatnot. So again, they're S&G, Sargent and Greenleaf. This is probably my other little go-to kit. I have some Sargent Greenleaf. This is Lagard. This is a 4-wheel Lagard. You see it's slightly longer. Change key. My S&G. And I have some really, I have a bunch of these because, I don't know, I got so many in one kit. I just decided to put everything in one kit. These are some old Taylor, J.J. Taylor safe. That's a popular one for the old 4-wheel Taylor safes. You know, some of those safes are over 100 years old. And again, more just change keys. These are just 3-wheel. You never have enough of them, and that's probably my go-to ones I use. This is if it's something oddball, but most of what I work on is Sargent Greenleaf or Lagard, and a few old Taylor locks. And what's this one? Is a Chubb. This is off of a. This is a Sargent Greenleaf. It's again, it's an older Chubb. Ran across that. So it's pretty cool. It keeps everything in one spot. I love this kit. It works out extremely well. And it holds everything in one place, so I don't have to run around, where is my bits and pieces. So it all fits in here. Little kit with my basic tools. I can do everything on changing a safe combination except for lubricants. And I have another little bag that I take for the different lubricants that I use to lube a 3-wheel or 4-wheel safe combination. So this is my safe change key kit. I love the product. It's very, very good. And it keeps everything in one. I don't have to scrounge around, where is this change key, where's that? This is my kit that does 99%, I'd say it does almost 100% of every safe I run across when I have to change the combination on a dial. I have a different kit for digital safes, for troubleshooting those and changing the comms on those. That's a totally different setup, but this is for combination. This is for safes that require a dial, either 3-wheel or 4-wheel dial combination lock. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.